Deep within the tropics, where the sun blazes with an intensity that can be felt in every pore of your skin, lies a world of unparalleled beauty and mystery. Here, rain falls in torrents, drenching the land and nourishing the soil, creating a lush, verdant paradise. These are the planet's most precious treasures, its rainforest. These vibrant ecosystems are teeming with life, a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and scents. Every inch of the rainforest is alive, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal. They are the Earth's lungs, generating oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide, playing a crucial role in maintaining the planet's climate and air quality. Rainforests are home to a staggering array of species, many found nowhere else on Earth. This biodiversity is not just a marvel to behold, but also essential for the health of our planet. From the towering canopy, where sunlight filters through the leaves, to the forest floor, blanketed in a rich tapestry of decaying plant matter, life thrives in every nook and cranny. Monkeys swing through the branches, their calls echoing through the trees, a symphony of the wild that speaks of freedom and vitality. Insects hum and buzz, their wings a blur of color, each one playing a vital role in the ecosystem, from pollination to decomposition. And beneath the leafy undergrowth, snakes slither silently, and jaguars prowl with a grace and power that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Their eyes gleam with ancient wisdom, a reminder of the primal forces that govern life. Rainforests are a testament to the power of nature, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains all life on Earth. They are living, breathing entities that demand our respect and protection. They are a source of wonder and inspiration, a call to adventure and a plea for protection. The stories they hold are as old as time, waiting to be discovered and cherished. Join me now as we journey into the heart of three extraordinary rainforests, the Amazon, Costa Rica, and Tasmania. Each one unique, each one a vital part of our planet's heritage, and each one a beacon of hope for the future. The Amazon. The name itself evokes images of a vast untamed wilderness, a place of mystery and adventure. It is a realm where nature reigns supreme, and every corner holds a secret waiting to be discovered. Flowing over 4,000 miles, the Amazon River is the lifeblood of the largest rainforest on Earth. It winds its way through the heart of South America, nourishing the land and the myriad of creatures that inhabit it. Here, the air is thick with humidity, the scent of damp earth and exotic blooms. The atmosphere is almost palpable, a living entity that envelops you in its embrace. Giant water lilies, their leaves spanning several feet, float on the water's surface. These natural wonders are just one of the many marvels that make the Amazon a unique and vital ecosystem. Beneath the murky depths, piranhas flash their teeth, and electric eels send out jolts of electricity. These waters are teeming with life, each species playing a crucial role in the delicate balance of this aquatic world. The Amazon rainforest is a biodiversity hotspot. It is a living library of genetic diversity with countless species yet to be discovered and studied. 1 in 10 known species on Earth calls this place home. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, the Amazon is a sanctuary for life in all its forms. Jaguars, the apex predators of the jungle, stalk their prey through the undergrowth. Their presence is a testament to the untamed and primal nature of this vast wilderness. Macaws, their feathers a riot of color, screech from the treetops. These vibrant birds add a splash of color to the green canopy, their calls echoing through the forest. And in the canopy, sloths hang upside down, their movements slow and deliberate. These gentle creatures embody the unhurried pace of life in the rainforest, a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of the world outside. From the wilds of the Amazon, we travel to Costa Rica, a small nation with a big commitment to conservation. Nestled in Central America, this country is a treasure trove of biodiversity and natural beauty. Its landscapes are a testament to the power of nature and the importance of preserving it for future generations. Despite its size, Costa Rica boasts an incredible diversity of habitats, from cloud forests to coral reefs. Each ecosystem is a vibrant tapestry of life, teeming with unique flora and fauna. The cloud forests, shrouded in mist, are home to countless species of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. Here, the rainforest is a symphony of sound. The rustling of leaves, the calls of exotic birds, and the distant roar of waterfalls create an immersive experience that captivates the senses. It's a living, breathing orchestra that plays day and night. Howler monkeys roar their territorial calls, their voices echoing through the trees. These primates are the loudest land animals, and their calls can be heard up to 3 miles away. Their presence is a reminder of the untamed spirit of the rainforest. Tiny hummingbirds, their wings a blur, flit from flower to flower, their iridescent feathers shimmering in the sunlight. These agile creatures are vital pollinators, playing a crucial role in the health of the ecosystem. Their beauty and grace are a sight to behold. And on the forest floor, leafcutter ants march in long lines, carrying fragments of leaves many times their size. These industrious insects are nature's gardeners, cultivating fungus that serves as their primary food source. Their teamwork and perseverance are truly remarkable. Costa Rica is a shining example of how humans and nature can coexist in harmony. The country's commitment to environmental protection is evident in its extensive network of national parks and protected areas, which cover over a quarter of its land. Through sustainable tourism and innovative conservation programs, Costa Rica has become a model for rainforest protection around the world. Visitors are encouraged to explore its natural wonders responsibly, ensuring that these precious ecosystems remain intact for generations to come. Costa Rica's efforts serve as an inspiration to other nations, demonstrating that with dedication and care, we can all play a part in preserving our planet's incredible biodiversity. Our final destination takes us south to the island of Tasmania, a land of ancient forests and unique wildlife. Here, towering ferns and moss-covered trees create a prehistoric atmosphere. The air is cool and crisp, scented with eucalyptus and damp earth. Tasmania's temperate rainforests are home to some of the oldest living organisms on Earth, including Huon pines that have stood for thousands of years. These ancient trees have witnessed the ebb and flow of time, their gnarled branches telling stories of resilience and survival. Tasmania is also home to creatures found nowhere else on Earth, like the Tasmanian devil, a carnivorous marsupial with a fearsome growl. Once threatened by disease, the Tasmanian devil is making a comeback thanks to conservation efforts. Section 5. The harpy eagle's cry, a call to action. As we've journeyed through these incredible rainforests, we've witnessed firsthand the incredible biodiversity they harbor. We've heard the calls of monkeys echoing through the canopy, seen the flash of colorful birds, and felt the damp earth beneath our feet. But we've also been reminded of the threats these vital ecosystems face. Deforestation, climate change, and habitat loss are pushing many rainforest species to the brink. The harpy eagle, with its piercing gaze and powerful talons, is a symbol of the rainforest's vulnerability. Its cry is a call to action, a reminder that we must act now to protect these irreplaceable treasures. Section 6. The Spider Monkey's Dance, a celebration of life. Yet amidst the challenges, there is hope. Conservation efforts are making a difference. Communities are working together to protect their rainforests, and the resilience of nature itself gives us reason to be optimistic. The spider monkey, with its acrobatic grace and playful nature, embodies the spirit of the rainforest. Its dance through the trees is a celebration of life, a reminder of the beauty and wonder that we are fighting to protect. Section 7. The Tasmanian devil's grin, a reminder of resilience. The Tasmanian devil, once on the verge of extinction, is a testament to the power of conservation. Through captive breeding programs and habitat restoration, this iconic creature is making a comeback. Its fierce grin, once a symbol of its threatened status, now represents hope and resilience. The Tasmanian devil reminds us that even in the face of adversity, there is always a chance for recovery. Section 8. Guardians of the Green, Indigenous Wisdom. For centuries, indigenous communities have lived in harmony with the rainforest. They are the true guardians of these ecosystems, their knowledge and traditions passed down through generations. From the Yanomami people of the Amazon to the Bribri people of Costa Rica, indigenous communities are on the front lines of rainforest conservation. They understand the delicate balance of nature and the importance of protecting its biodiversity. Their wisdom is invaluable in our fight to save the world's rainforests. Section 9. Our Rainforest Legacy, a Shared Responsibility. The fate of the world's rainforest lies in our hands. It's our responsibility to protect these vital ecosystems for future generations. We can all make a difference, whether it's supporting conservation organizations, reducing our carbon footprint, or simply spreading awareness about the importance of rainforests. Let us be inspired by the beauty and resilience of the rainforest. Let us work together to ensure that these emerald jewels of the earth continue to thrive for generations to come. The rainforest's legacy is our legacy. Let's make it a legacy of hope and conservation.